After 4 weeks now of emotional, sometimes disturbing testimony, it is now up to a jury to decide the fate of 59-year-old Mark Redwine.
Redwine's accused of killing his son Dylan almost 10 years ago, and today prosecutors paused to remind the jury who Dylan was and who he could have been if he were still alive today.
Denver 7's Liz Gilardi tonight.
He was a young boy. He was happy. He was engaging. He lit up the room.
Dylan Redwine disappeared on November 18, 2012, a missing persons case until his body was found in June 2013, 8 miles from his father's house.
9 years have passed since Dylan was killed. So think about how could a father kill his own son?
During closing arguments, the prosecution said evidence from the past 5 weeks of the trial shows that Mark Redwine killed his son that day in November, a damaged relationship that turned deadly.
Because the defendant's words and his deeds had pushed this loving young boy to a point where Dylan no longer wanted to have any contact.
The prosecution said Mark Redwine deliberately and repeatedly misdirected investigators and tried to cover up the crime. His story changed.
Who had the opportunity and reason to hurt Dylan? And who had Dylan's blood in his house?
But the defense raised questions, saying there's a lack of evidence in the case.
He loves Dylan, misses Dylan. He wants Dylan in his life. And the evidence is so thin, and the emotions are so high.
Redwine's attorney said his client is wrongly accused. He said the most notable injury to the body could have been caused by animals scavenging and called DNA evidence unremarkable. He said there's no weapon, no cause of death.
I can't tell you what happened in the living room November 18th, 2012. After 9 years, 5 weeks of trial, all this investigation, they can't tell you what happened. He said, can you imagine? Can you imagine if this happened? Can you imagine if that happened?
The defense also addressed an incident that the court learned more about during the trial. Dylan's opinion about his dad seemed to change when he learned about disturbing photos showing his dad eating feces out of a diaper while wearing a diaper and women's clothing.
You may not like the pictures of Mr. Redwine, and you may not approve of the way he handled himself.
This case is about what happened to Dylan Redwine and a fight for justice 9 years in the making.
These are not simply a string of random coincidences. Every question is answered the same. The defendant. He killed Dylan Redwine on November 18th, 2012.
Liz Gilardi, Denver 7.